and welcome back to my channel, Brown Sugar Cocoa. In today's video, I am going to be doing a quick wig tutorial review. I'm going to be putting on this regular hair store wig. It is a Bobbi Bob synthetic. It's a premium synthetic wig. Here is the packaging it came in. Okay. All right, this is the wig right here. So this is how she should look, but you know, I'm gonna spice her up just a little bit, maybe. Okay, here is the wig fresh out of the box. It kind of like tilts to the side a little, like if you like, because it is like a side part bob, so you have to make sure that you get it when you put it on, that it's like really like to the side like that. Let me just go ahead and put it on for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me start with the slick back. My hair just slick back, it's just gelled down. Okay, I didn't do anything special to it, it's just Eco Style gel, laying my hair down. Now let's put this bad boy on just to get a feels for her. Okay. Let's see, yeah. She is a lace front wig with the dark roots. Okay, let's see. Yeah, is it that level? Hold on. There, I feel like that's better. So there we got a good view of the wig and how to be. I feel like this part is good enough. I think that I need to put some of my makeup underneath the wig, some foundation, because I don't want to like do too much to it. And I don't want to put on a bald cap wig, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's take her off and let's put my foundation on the inside of the lace part of the wig. Okay, I'm back with my foundation brush. I got some of my foundation up there. I'm just gonna go on the inside where the lace is at and dab my foundation in there. Okay. And it isn't even a full lace front. I just got a little bit of the part and some of the front. So shouldn't be too hard to do. Just so that it can match my complexion when I put it on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And most of this is going to be getting cut off anyways, you know. Okay, so I just went ahead and put her on the mannequin head. I think I am gonna pluck some of this hairline because it does have a lot of these black, I don't know, starter pieces for where you put the hair at. And I just want to pluck that off a little bit so it can look a little bit more realistic. So let me do that. Kind of hard to do it on camera for you to actually see me do this on camera, but I'm just picking up the little black circles and taking them out, tweezing them out. There we go. Just one at a time. Get a natural, more natural looking hairline. After the plucking, I just did a little bit up front, mostly like right here in this area, so it can look a little bit more natural. That was good enough. This hair doesn't have too much hair in this area, so I didn't want to overdo it. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace before I put it on my head. So let's do that now. easier to cut it before you put it on your head. So. It's just on just like this. Cause I don't even know if I wanna really like glue her down or anything like that. She just goes on all right. That's not bad at all. See how much better that blends since I put my foundation up there? Like, I was gonna put the Gots to Be and stuff up there to lay it down, but I don't even feel like that's really necessary. Let's do it like this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that looks really good. It's very like flowy. Got a little flow to it. But let me do my makeup and come back so you can really get a good feel for how this looks on your girl. Okay, I'll be back. And here I am back with the wig on, makeup slayed to the god, and I am feeling it. I like the wig, I like the color. It's a decent synthetic wig in my opinion. And here it is. Hold on, put it up a little bit more. There we go. I feel like that's better. Yeah, it's a good look. What you guys think? If you like it, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace outie.